Have you ever wondered how to become someone that people genuinely like and appreciate? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to winning hearts and creating meaningful connections in all areas of your life. So, what's the first step? It's simple. Be authentic. Authenticity shines brighter than any facade. Imagine you're in a social gathering and the topic of hobbies comes up. Embrace your passions, be they gardening, painting, or even stamp collecting. Let your personality shine through. Remember, there's no one else like you. Secondly, practice active listening. It's not just about hearing words, it's about understanding and engaging with the speaker. Suppose a friend is sharing their recent vacation stories. Instead of waiting for your turn to speak, dive deeper into their experience. Ask about their favorite moments, how they felt, and what they learned. This shows you value their perspective and helps you build a stronger connection. The third ingredient in this recipe is empathy. Put yourself in the other person's shoes and validate their feelings. If a colleague is feeling overwhelmed, don't dismiss their concerns. Instead, acknowledge their stress and offer help. This fosters trust, camaraderie, and shows that you genuinely care. Our fourth point is positivity. A positive attitude can brighten someone's day and leave a lasting impression. Compliment your friend on their new haircut, share an uplifting story at a networking event, or simply smile more often. Positivity attracts people and makes you more likable. Lastly, respect boundaries. Everyone has their comfort zone, and it's crucial to respect that. Whether it's refraining from unwanted physical contact or giving a colleague their needed space, respecting boundaries shows your consideration for others' feelings and fosters a sense of trust. So, to sum it up, to make people like you, be authentic, practice active listening, show empathy, maintain a positive attitude, and respect boundaries. These are not just steps to make people like you, they're steps to becoming a better person. Remember, it's not about changing who you are, but enhancing what you already have. After all, the most likable person you can be is yourself. Until next time, stay genuine, stay empathetic, and keep winning hearts.